What's going on today, family? I have a house tour of a 5-bedroom home I want to show you. And the home is located in York, South Carolina. Now, depending on traffic, York can be anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour and 5 minutes to uptown Charlotte. Now, again, depending on when you leave, that can vary. But it is a highly sought after suburb that is growing. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, over 2,300 square foot home. This is the Paisley Floor plan by Meritage in Monterey Park. When you come in, you saw the little foyer area. Then you have the open living dining space. You have storage underneath the staircase. Please go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you feel about this floor plan. Let me know if you like the floor plan, if you dislike the floor plan, so it better helps me to provide you with homes that you all like and enjoy and that you want to see. Now, in your comments, I will give pushback because I would like to know deeper than just the surface answer of it's too small. Like what's too small or what's just right about it. So not only I can get feedback, but builders are building this for you, the consumer. So we want to provide them with feedback and how they can make changes and tweaks for homes moving forward to not only make them quote unquote affordable, but desirable. Now, this kitchen has granite countertops. You have a gas range. You have a microwave that vents to the outside. You have the white subway tile backsplash, as well as 42-inch cabinets up top. This is the bedroom downstairs. Again, this Paisley floor plan by Meritage has 5 bedrooms, and it is over 2,300 square feet. Now, this is an active construction site, if you cannot tell, so please disregard all the dirt and debris. Again, it's an active construction site. But this is something that Meritage does, the little things. You saw that outlet in the island, how it had spaces for the USB. They know that everybody charges their phones and tablets, so they have the normal outlets as well as the USB to make it convenient for all of our gadgets nowadays. Now, we just left this very large loft upstairs, going into bedroom number 2. One more look at the loft. Laundry room, as well as the general bathroom upstairs. Dual vanity sinks. Again, this has 3 full bathrooms. Going into bedroom number 3. And now into bedroom number 4. Let's head to the owner's suite. And again, the attention to detail is what I really like about Meritage. In addition to their quality of construction, they use a spray foam, which very few, actually no other builders here in the Carolinas uses spray foam, mass production builders. Looking at the owner's ensuite, dual vanity sink, tile shower. In this floor plan, 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, starts off in the 380s right now. If you're interested, please contact us. We would love to help you and represent you throughout your home buying and selling journey. You need an advocate on your side to look out for your best interest and to hold the builders accountable. And it doesn't cost you a thing. You're not going to get a discount by not having an agent. Reach out to my team and I. We look forward to hearing from you. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.
Talk to me nice.